Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome to today's learning video.
With me, Camelia Putri Albar, and my partner,
Al-Fajri Tito Pradama.
In this session, we are going to learn three important things. First, the process of slaughtering animal, especially a chicken.
Second, the anatomy of a chicken.
And third, how to create and present a procedure text using cooking as an example. Let's begin our journey step by step. Let's go!
Before we start with the anatomy and cooking, let's talk about the slaughtering process. Slaughtering is the first step before we can consume animal meat. First, the animal must be chosen carefully. It should be healthy, clean, and free from diseases. Second, preparation is important. The tools used for slaughtering, such as knives, must be sharp and clean. This ensures a quick and hygienic process. Third, the process of slaughtering should always respect the animal. The animal must be handled gently without causing unnecessary pain. The cut is made quickly on the throat in order to minimize suffering and follow religious and hygienic rules. After the animal has been slaughtered, the meat should be cleaned properly. The feathers are removed and the body is washed with clean water. This makes sure the meat is safe for cooking and eating. Now, let us move to the anatomy of a chicken. First, let's look at the external anatomy. A chicken has a head, wings, legs, feathers, and a tail. These external parts help the chicken move, protect its body, and looking for food. Next, we study the internal anatomy. The chicken has important organs inside its body. The heart pumps blood throughout the body. The lungs help the chicken breathe. The liver filters and processes nutrients. The stomach digests food and changes it into energy. We can also find the intestines, which continue the digestive process, and the bones, which support the body structure. By studying the anatomy of a chicken, we understand more about how animals live, how their bodies work, and why some parts are consumed as food while others are not.
After understanding slaughtering and anatomy, now let's move to procedure text. We will use the example of cooking chicken gulai, a traditional Indonesian dish. Here is the procedure text. Ingredients: chicken pieces, potato, salads, garlic cloves, red chilies, ginger, turmeric, galangal, candle nuts, coriander, cumin, pepper, lime leaf, bay leaf, bay leaf, coconut milk, cinnamon, bunga lawang, kapulaga, lettuce, fried onions, cassava leaves, green chili sauce, cucumber, and crackers. Steps: first, prepare the chicken pieces and wash them until clean. Second, heat a pan and add the ground pieces, salads, garlic, red chilies, ginger, turmeric, galangal, candle nuts, coriander, cumin, pepper, which have been mixed with other spices, lime leaf, bay leaf, coconut milk, cinnamon, bunga lawang, and kapulaga. Next, put the chicken into the pan, stir, and add water. Then pour coconut milk slowly, stirring carefully so it does not break. Cook until the chicken is tender and the sauce chicken steak. After the sauce was add more coconut milk, then stir add the fried potatoes. Finally, serve warm chicken gulai with white rice, lettuce, fried onions, cassava leaves, green chili sauce, cucumber, and crackers. Today we have learned three main things.
First, the process of slaughtering, which must be done respectfully, hygienically, and responsibly.
Second, we studied the anatomy of a chicken, both external and internal, to understand how animals' body function.
And third, we practice writing and presenting a procedure text using chicken gulai as an example.
Through this lesson, we can see the connection between science, ethics, and language.
Starting with animal care, moving to biology, and concluding with English communication.
Thank you for watching.
And see you in the next learning video. Goodbye.